How are you all?
Good, sir.
Awesome. Ready for the hackathon?
Yes, sir.
Who is going to win this hackathon? Who will be taking the first prize? Wow, awesome. So nice to see that. One thing I would like to mention, in this room, there are a lot of quitters. You only have to survive. That's the job. There will be people, 24 hours, not an easy job. A lot of people will quit. The only thing you have to do is survive. That's all half of the journey is. And since you have come and have made this far, because how many entries we got? Around 4,500 entries. So you have made it. So officially, welcome to, yes, India's biggest hackathon that we are conducting all around India. Welcome on board. And since you have come here so far and you have showed interest in the technology, let us as a company sponsor your next entire 3 months of your tech education.
Wow, sir.
All of you, every single one of you get access to the Teach-A-Thon, which is a platform where you can learn from machine learning to cloud to AWS to DevOps to everything, whatever you want to learn from programming to everything, all absolutely free for next 3 months. Learn as much as you want. All right, just a few quick questions and then we'll be getting started about that. Yes, we'll be making that viral reel that you all come up here. We'll be making that outside the campus. There's a beautiful ground out there. We'll be making some viral content there and you all are invited and be the part in that content. Let's build a strong community around the code. You know why coding is so much popular and all of that? Because we are building the next Uber. Just 10 years ago, nobody could imagine that you can just pick up your phone and can just go anywhere in the city. You have to go out, hunt for autos and stuff. Why this is all possible? Who built it? We built it. There are a lot of engineers. I would not disagree on that there are thousands of engineers, jobless engineers. But they are not supposed to be called as engineers. Who is an engineer? Who builds stuff? And if you don't know how to build the stuff, you are not an engineer. You guys have moved here, reached out here because you are confident you can build the stuff. And that is why you are here. Okay, just a quick question. How many of you are from Jaipur? Oh goodness, so many. Who has come here from 100 kilometers?
100 नहीं है भाई.
200 kilometers. Oh goodness. 300 kilometers.
600, bro.
Who
600.
has come here from 500 kilometers? Oh goodness. 700 kilometers.
Yes.
Goodness, where are you from? Okay. 800 kilometers. Goodness. Oh goodness. Where are you from, sir? Louder. Oh goodness. So far for this hackathon. Thank you so much for joining up here. Okay, couple of more questions. Who is the youngest here? Okay, raise your hand if you are 21. Raise your hand if you are 20. Oh goodness. Raise your hand if you are 19. Goodness. Raise your hand if you are 18. Goodness! Raise your hand if you are 17.
Oh, MG.
16.
नहीं है sir.
Okay, not eligible, otherwise they would have come. 17, how many? Ah, goodness, nice. Who is the oldest here? Okay.
ये बंगा यूनिक है भाई.
Ah, goodness. I hope you are all excited about this. And what is the highest prize money?
2 lakh.
How much? Okay, I hope that is enough motivation to stay up for 24 hours. If money doesn't motivate you, I don't know what will. And apart from this, take a lot of photos. There are a lot of people here who have insane reach on LinkedIn, Instagram and all of that can help you to reach out. What is the price for that also? Ah, goodness, iPhone. Hope the team has brought it. Not sure. But iPhone is the price. for the social media, because we truly believe one of you can be the next social media influencer. So this is a boost to him that maybe you can do something in social media. Maybe here is next Bhuvan Bam. Maybe here is the next Mr. Flying Beast or Mr. Beast even. So there could be any one of you. This is a small support from our side, and I hope and officially would like to welcome all of you into this amazing hackathon. Just remember one thing, you can do it. You can absolutely do it. Just stay up here. And what we do, we write code. What we do?
We write code.
What we do?
We write code.
Awesome. So thank you so much for joining here. I'll be around here having a chit chat with all of you. So don't hesitate to say hi. I'll be just around with all of you. Thank you so much.